In this video, I'll show you how to report a fake Facebook profile so Facebook can review it and take action if needed. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type the name of the profile you believe is fake. From the search results, tap the profile to open it. Once you're on the profile page, tap the three dots near the top of the screen to open more options. A menu will appear with several choices. From this list, tap Find Support or Report Profile. Facebook will then show you different reasons for reporting the account. Choose the option that best matches the situation, such as pretending to be someone, fake account, or another related option. After selecting the reason, follow the steps on the screen to submit your report. Facebook will review the report and decide whether the account violates their policies. You may not always receive updates about the outcome, but your report helps Facebook identify and remove suspicious accounts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.